Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating my personal journal. That is the classic size vertical layout happy planner. This is for the week of November 17th through the 23rd. I'm going to be using Holly Jolly. These stickers are available in my shop. I love using the vertical layout for just personal journaling, just something to kind of look back on what I did for the day, how I felt, all those fun things. And then I use the horizontal layout for family journaling. Kind of just a little blurb about what each member of my family did for the day. So let's see, we're going to start with a floral up in the corner. I am going to put the lines in. You can see for the current week, I did put the lines in. I forgot to do that on camera, but I did put them in after I was finished filming. So I'll try to remember to do that today. No promises, because sometimes I forget. But we'll see. I think I kind of want another floral. So maybe just a little something here. Let's try to just kind of do like that. And I said last week that I hurt my wrist. My wrist still hurts. I don't understand. So it's been a week now and it's still hurting. So might have to see the doctor. Maybe I'll let it go another week. And then we'll go see the doctor. But I'm sure I probably just twisted or stretched or strained something. It's my left hand, so it's not my dominant hand. So I don't know. I don't know what I did. And I think I'm going to do the same thing over here in the bottom. Maybe here. I mentioned in my last video, make sure you go sign up for emails on my website. I'm going to be sending out early access Black Friday emails with a special coupon code. I'm not going to do an automatic discount, and it's not going to be a 12-hour deal like I was talking about in last week's videos. I was just thinking, like, because I am planning on being out of town shortly after Black Friday, like, wouldn't it be smarter if I offered early discounts, and that way I don't have to scramble to get all of my Black Friday orders out before we leave. So I think that would just make life easier. And then I am contemplating closing the shop early, earlier than the Saturday after Black Friday. I don't know. I haven't decided that yet, but if I do decide to do that, I will send out an email and let everybody know when I decide to close. So I'm just trying to think of a way to, like I said, make life easier as far as getting orders filled and not having to scramble so hard to get orders out before we leave. So I think that is a good solution, to just go ahead and offer the code early. That way you guys can get your orders in and you can receive them in a timely manner. So sign up for emails. You'll find the email sign up at the bottom of the homepage on my website, so gracefully.broken.com. Okay. This box may be a tad bit crooked, but I think it's okay. All right, so let's do some boxes. I kind of want to do the same thing, except just a little bit different over here. We'll go this way. Is that crooked? That's crooked. I mentioned in my dashboard layout video, now it's crooked the other way, that I am now an affiliate for Cultivate What Matters, which is a Christian company. They have a lot of excellent goal planning resources, and so I've placed 3 orders with them, and I'm super excited about goal planning for 2026. So if you are familiar with the company, before I share my hauls, if you're familiar with them already, I do have a discount code that I can offer you guys. It is So Gracefully Broken. That is a 10% off discount code. And I do earn a generous commission when you use my code. So if you're in the market for goal planning resources, I would love it if you would use my discount code to purchase those things. And then as soon as my orders do come in, I will have videos, like unboxing haul videos for you. If you all are interested in that, just let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see those videos. I'm not sure that I'm going to lay any more boxes down. We'll see. That one's a little too big. Okay, we'll lay that there. And then I might actually take one of these ornaments and hang down from this box. That's so cute. She used a little snowflake. That's so cute. I need some boxes. I need some more filler in there. Let's try. Now, what did I say I was going to do? I already forgot. Go the opposite way, right? Like this. Yeah. All right, and then we're going to take a green and a pink and go, what did I say, this way? Yep. Okay, that makes me feel better. I do have 2 green boxes, 2 pink boxes, like kind of side by side, but we'll try to remedy that with some stickers. I think we're going to take these gifts and place them right here. So let's grab my little corner ruler. Let's see how I did. I didn't cut that all the way. Perfect. Love it. Okay. And then why don't we maybe take a bow and place like right here. Maybe right here. That's cute. All right, I need something to go here. And I think we're going to do another gift. What gifts? Let's see. Let's use this one. I never did level out my desk. I was talking last week how my desk must not be level. And I didn't think about it again after I mentioned it. All right, that is super cute. All right, so now we just need to decorate around these. Oops, I ripped it, but it's okay. We're going to lay it down just the way it was intended. And you won't be able to tell. That is cute. And then I kind of want to do a little something here. That's cute. That is cute. And I feel like I need some flowers over here now. And I kind of want them to stretch closer over there. So we're going to go here. So we'll put this one down here. And let's take this one. I can't decide. I think I want to go this way. Okay, so now we have this complete little cluster here. And let's see. I'm thinking I might want to put a little something up here. So let's cut this down the center. I'll put this one right here. And then I think I want to put this up top here. That's really cute. And then while we're at it, we're going to just kind of cover up some more of these empty spaces around the boxes and with the same method. So cut this down the center. We're going to go right here. And right here. That's so cute. And then we're going to go, we're just going to use all the flowers. We'll go up here. And over here. Love it. And then I need something to go here. And I really think that I want to use these gifts. Perfect. Look how cute. It is adorable. Okay, so I chose 2 different washies. So just a regular black and white, or this is kind of a burgundy polka dot. And I'm thinking I want to try the burgundy polka dot. It's not an exact color match, but I'm thinking it'll be kind of cute. And I was right. So let's go here. That is so cute. You can't go wrong with polka dots. And then I think we're going to go up here. This washi, I want to say was a Happy Planner washi. I'm not sure. I've had this washi for a hot minute, so I don't know where it came from. Now, where can I put more washi? I think we're just going to go like make it continue to go this way. Yes, look how cute that is. I love it. So let's take a quote. And so since we've got Christmas gifts, let's use Joy to the World. Let's just do one quote. And I think we'll do it down below on Sunday. That's adorable. Actually, maybe we could do one more. I used Christmas blessings in my last video, but I think I'm going to use it again because it fits. That's cute. Okay, so now I just need to draw in my lines. So I'm going to do that real quick. You won't even notice that I'm gone. And then we'll finish this up. Okay, I got my lines drawn in. I used the Line It Up stencil from the Happy Planner. And now let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers. That would be amazing. So yeah, that's it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.